I love myself. Thank you for my life. I receive everything wonderful that I desire. I am a wonderful person. I grow younger and more beautiful every day. I am successful at everything I do. I love and accept myself for who I am. I am infinitely wealthy and rich, and have an infinite abundance of money and precious treasures. I am in the perfect love relationship with the perfect person for me. I deserve and receive happiness in every aspect of my life. The universe blesses me at every moment with love and joy. I am completely healthy in every way. My body, soul, and mind are in complete harmony with each other, which keeps me in perfect health and forever young. I am talented and creative. I enjoy being myself. I really am beautiful. I am special and unique. I accept myself for the wonderful person I am. I enjoy giving and receiving love at every moment. My life is blessed with eternal youth, wealth, love, and much happiness. I am loved for the beautiful and kind person that I am. I love myself very much.